Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a colorful flash shake effect on CapCut. Before we start, I'm just gonna warn you there's flash, so this is the flash warning. So go to effects, go to video effects, and go to party. You are then going to find color negative. Press the check mark button and you can adjust it throughout the whole video, but I'm just going to adjust it up till there. And then after that, you can also adjust the color too over here, as you can see. After that, you are going to go back and then go to video effects again. Go to basic and find shake, and then just going to adjust the duration. You're going to go back again, video effects, go to basic and find slanted blur. And then after that, you are going to go back again and add one last effect. So go to party and find, what is it called again? Black flash. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!